Hello guys, welcome back again to the another lecture in the Python, which is file handling. This is the last topic of the beginners level of the Python. Actually, this file handling has some terms which opens the file and text it out and stores the file and opens, closes and performs the operations. Let's start our video and have a complete introduction and the sample program of file handling. As a file handling, this term is very well known to each and everyone. What is file? It is basically where you have data stored inside them. So, what is file handling? Well, Python provides you library which you can use to handle files within Python itself. So, you can read and write data to file according to you, however you want. You can write the data from the following steps: opening a file, reading a file, and writing and closing. By using these commands, you can perform the operations in the Python program and save a file as a text format. Uh, by opening a file, you have to use a command of open file, open parenthesis, and file mode. And for reading, read and open parenthesis and close it. And if you want to write anything, you have to write in single quotations when the writing command, after that closing command. Why we need to close everything after we have done the writing it? Closing file is very important because what happens is whenever a file is being read or written to, it is basically bought into a memory. Now if you do not close the file, there are chances that the file gets corrupted. So to avoid that damage, please make sure that you close your files. These are the different operations. So for opening the file, you use the open command, and for writing a file, and you use the write or the append mode. These are the basics of the Python file handling. Let's go back into our program and have some knowledge. As I have opened the file of the Python, let me open which I have already written. Here you can see all the file object. I have given the text as open and my text and declared a variable here. I want to print the text, which means this is my text in an consequent lines, and this file object I am closing here, and then from the count 0 the lines have to be printed. Here you can see file equals to open my text, comma r. This is the basic command where you have to use the r command in this file and count, and then after the last I am closing the lines and printing how many lines present in it. I am going to run it. Here you can see that 700 lines are present. As I have tried before, it has increased to the 700. If you restart it, if you run it again, it will add another 100. Here you can see 800 lines. Like this, it goes on printing the lines which are in the text format. Let me show the text format which the file has been saved. Here you can see that my text file has been generated here, and let me open in Notepad. Here you can see that it has been printed all around 800 times. So let me show. I am deleting this file, and if I run it again, it shows it is 100. See, 100 lines are present, means I have deleted the file before. It has generated my text file. If I open it again in the Notepad, here in this you can see there are 100 lines of text which has been printed by the Python and stored in a file. So this is the last topic of the beginners of the Python, and shortly I will upload all the series which has been in a short manner. So thank you, and from the next class we will be going into the intermediate level of the Python language, where you can learn many new topics and have a very lengthy programs in a short manner. Thank you.